So let us continue with the problem which we left in the lecture. So have anyone tried ahead after that? So anyone have designed the helical reinforcement? So they can just tell me the design if they have done, and we will just check it once again. No. So nobody has tried. Okay, so let us just go through what we have already done, okay, in the lecture. So this was the question. We had to design a circular column. So load is 800 kilonewton, length is given L effective, and the grade is given, and it is mentioned that the helical reinforcement are used. So now the first step, we assumed a suitable percentage, 1.5% of the gross area, and then we found out the gross area. Okay, so once we got the area, we can find out the diameter of the column since it's a circular column. So we have just approximated it to 350. And then we checked for slenderness since the height was given to us. So we just checked for slenderness and the ratio is less than 12. So hence it is a short column. Okay. And then after this, we went to design the reinforcement. So longitudinal reinforcement we have found out. So now select a suitable diameter and we will find out the number of bars. So which diameter we will select? You tell me. We will select a suitable diameter and then we'll find out the number of bars.
16
mm diameter. Okay. Okay, so let us
6.488.
Okay, using 16 mm diameter bars, number of bars is equal to 6.8. What did you say?
488. 6.488.
Okay, so we will consider 7. So now, okay, so if we would have assumed 20 mm dia, suppose, तो कितने बार्स आते थे?
5 bars.
5 bars आते थे, ठीक है. So now tell me, can I provide 20 mm diameter, 5 bars of 20? Just tell me.
No.
Can I provide? No.
No,
Why?
sir. So minimum
Yes.
number
Less
of
number
bars
of
should be 6.
Exactly.
So minimum
Absolutely
number
correct.
of bars.
Correct. I hope everyone is listening what he said. So suppose if you would have taken 20 mm diameter bars, so in that case the number of bars would have been only 5. But we know that for a circular column the minimum number of longitudinal bars should be 6. So that is the reason we cannot take 20 mm diameter here. If you're taking 20 mm, then you'll have to provide at least 6. You cannot provide 5. Okay, so that is the reason we have taken 16 mm diameter bars and we are going to provide 7 bars. I hope this is clear to everyone. So do not make this mistake when you are designing a circular column. So therefore, provide 7 bars of 16 mm diameter as longitudinal reinforcement. Okay, so ASC provided also, we will just find out. I think someone had given me the value. And also tell me the PT. ASC provided and PT, someone can tell me. You can use the chat box. just write in the chat box ASC provided and PT. Okay, so now we'll proceed to the next step, that is, okay, here we are designing the helical reinforcement. Okay, so transverse reinforcement mein helical reinforcement. So again, first the diameter. Okay, so the diameter should be same criteria. First, diameter should be greater than or equal to 1/4 of the largest longitudinal bar, which is 4, and it should be greater than or equal to 5 mm. So therefore, let us provide. So therefore, provide 8 mm dia helical reinforcement. Okay, so ASC provided, Rohit is saying 1407. I hope this is correct.
1407. Yes, sir.
Okay.
0.433.
And PT is
1.46.
PT is how much?
1.46.
1.46. Rohit is saying 1.62. Rida is saying 1.6. Yes. Someone can just give me the correct value. 1.62 correct है?
350 लेंगे ना सर? pi by 4 d square d 350
Yes.
लेंगे ना?
Correct. What we have provided उसके लिए percentage निकाल रहे हैं. Yes, PT, why everyone is giving me different values?
So if we take the actual value 332.77, it is 1.62. And if
No,
we
no.
take
What we have
350,
provided. ठीक है, ASC provided की बात चल रही है ना?
yes sir, but in area of the
हाँ, तो ठीक है, कॉलम
column
का हमने प्रोवाइड क्या किया है? 350 डायमीटर प्रोवाइड किया ना, डायमीटर 350 प्रोवाइड किया है. इसके लिए बताओ.
1.46.
ठीक है, ठीक है, 1.46. So again it is
So फिर लास्ट सम में भी
लास्ट टर्म में भी मैंने बोला था ना, जो प्रोवाइडेड डायमेंशन है उसके लिए बताओ. Yes. So now let us find the pitch now. Okay. So now pitch again you have. So what are the different criterias? Okay, you are muted. Yes, am I audible? Yes,
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
So now can anyone tell me what are the different criterias for the pitch, which we have already discussed in the theory lecture?
not more than
ठीक है?
75 mm.
Not more than 75 mm. ठीक है, and anyone else? One condition I got, it should not be more than 75 mm. बस एक ही बताया था मैंने.
1/6
1/6 of case diameter of column.
Okay, 1/6 of the core diameter of the column. Okay. And
Not greater than 25.
not greater than 25.
less than.
Sorry, not less than 25 mm and not less than 3.
And not less than 3 into diameter of the helix. Correct? Okay, so these are the 4 conditions what we have heard from them. So these are the 4 conditions you have to remember to decide the pitch. Okay, so before that, let us see the column. Let us find out the core diameter. I hope the figure is visible to everyone. Okay, so now we have provided the longitudinal reinforcement. ठीक है, so this is the section of the column. And what is core diameter? ठीक है, core diameter, it is the diameter measured from the outside of the helix. ठीक है, तो ये इधर से लेकर इधर तक, this is called as core diameter. ठीक है, so let us say this is as dk. Yes, is this clear everyone? So मेरा core diameter क्या है? From outside of the helix. ठीक है, जो मेरा transverse reinforcement है, इधर से end to end मेरा core diameter है. And now the clear cover. ठीक है, clear cover I am assuming the clear cover as 40 mm. So this is the clear cover. ठीक है, can you see clear cover मैंने किधर से लिया है? Is this clear? So clear cover is from the face of the longitudinal bar. Okay, so clear cover is from the face of the longitudinal bar. और total ये जो है total कितना है diameter? This is 700 mm. Is that correct? So now इसमें से can you find out and give me the value of dk? ठीक है, so before doing this, so consider clear cover as 40 mm. So therefore dk, the core diameter, anyone? 350. Anish is saying core diameter मैंने दिखाया ना, इधर से लेकर इधर तक तुम्हारा core diameter है. फिगर विजिबल है सबको? तो थोड़ा नजदीक से देखो.
So column diameter अपना 350 आया था.
हाँ, वेट, यस 350 ना. ठीक है, सो एक मिनट प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
270.
हाँ, तो दिस इज नॉट 350 है अपना टोटल. ठीक है, कोर डायमीटर इज फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड ऑफ द हेलिक्स. सो अभी टोटल 350 कोर डायमीटर मिला किसी को? हाँ, डायमीटर इज 350, करेक्ट. So core diameter is nothing but total 350 minus clear cover, both the sides में अगर करूँगा minus 40,
286.
हाँ, और फिर बाद में ये हेलिकल का reinforce diameter कितना है अपना? 8 mm. So plus 8 plus 8. So this will be 286 mm. ठीक है, is this clear everyone? Okay, so you have already given the values. So this is clear. So now actually go for the conditions. तो सबसे पहले condition है. So let us remember the conditions like this. The first one is pitch should be greater than or equal to 3 times the diameter of the helix. ठीक है, ये first condition है. Second condition, it is greater than or equal to 25 mm. ठीक है. Third condition, it is less than or equal to 75 mm. And the fourth condition is it should not be more than 1/6 of the core diameter. इसका मतलब it should be less than or equal to 1/6 of the core diameter, that is dk. So these are the 4 conditions you have to remember for pitch. तो पहला वैल्यू बताओ अभी मुझे. 3 into 8, ठीक है, that is 24 mm. Second, it should not be, ये तो it is the same which is given, 25 mm. It should not be more than 20. Pitch should be greater than or equal to 25. It should be less than or equal to 75, and it should be less than or equal to 1/6 of the core diameter, which is 286. ये last value कितना है? Yes,
47.66.
Yes, 47.6. Let us say 7. So now how much you will provide pitch? Yes, anyone tell me? So therefore provide pitch equal to, कितना प्रोवाइड करेंगे अभी ये सब कंडीशन के हिसाब से?
30 mm.
30 mm. Okay,
25
so
to
I
47.66 के बीच में सर.
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. ठीक है, ये तुमको समझना है. सो व्हाट ही सेड कि अभी पिच तुम्हारा जो है वो 25 से 47.67 के बीच में रहेगा. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या है? ग्रेटर देन, इट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 24. सेकंड क्या है? ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 25. तो ये दोनों में गवर्निंग कौन सा है? ये गवर्निंग है, तो मतलब 25 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. अभी इट शुड बी लेस देन 75 पहला, और सेकंड में इट शुड बी लेस देन 47. तो इसमें ये गवर्निंग है. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली जो वैल्यू है वो इसके बीच में होना चाहिए. ठीक है, सो लेट अस प्रोवाइड अ पिच ऑफ 45 mm. So now we have actually done with the longitudinal reinforcement and the helical reinforcement. We have decided the diameter and also the pitch. So now iske baad very important check you have to perform. So let us do that check. I hope everyone has done this. Okay, so now we have to perform one check. So which says that volume of helical reinforcement per pitch upon volume of core per mm length. I'll just write down volume of helical reinforcement per pitch upon volume of core per mm length should be greater than or equal to 0.36 FCK upon Fy into Ag upon AK minus 1. ठीक है, ये तुमको कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करना है बेसिकली whenever it is asked about helical reinforcement. ठीक है, हेलिकल रीइंफोर्समेंट के लिए ये तुम्हारा कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए. सो नाउ लेट अस फाइंड आउट द वेरियस टर्म्स इन दिस. सो पहले RHS निकालते हैं, उसके बाद LHS निकालेंगे. ठीक है, सो RHS में यू नो व्हाट इज FCK इज द ग्रेड ऑफ कंक्रीट एंड Fy इज द ग्रेड ऑफ स्टील. ये दोनों तो पता है. Ag और AK क्या है? Ag इज नथिंग बट द ग्रॉस एरिया. सो वेयर Ag इज व्हाट? Ag इज द ग्रॉस एरिया. सो व्हाट इज द ग्रॉस एरिया? pi by 4 into d square. ठीक है, so give me the value of this. And what is AK? ठीक है, AK is nothing but the area of the core. ठीक है, so AK क्या है? जो तुम्हारा कोर है उसका एरिया है. तो इसके लिए तुमको कोर डायमीटर यूज करना पड़ेगा. अंडरस्टूड? And from that core diameter you will have to subtract the value of the reinforcement, the quantity of reinforcement. So then you will get the area of the core. Okay, so for this term I will just write it down. So this is nothing but area of core of helically reinforced column measured to the outside diameter of the helix. Measured to the outside diameter of helix. ठीक है, so this is nothing but AK. So ये AK का वैल्यू कैसे मिलेगा? तो कोर डायमीटर कितना है? पाई बाय 4 इंटू DK स्क्वायर माइनस अभी एरिया ऑफ लॉन्जिट्यूडनल रीइंफोर्समेंट कितना है प्रोवाइड किया है हमने? 7 इंटू पाई बाय 4 इंटू 16 स्क्वायर. So this is nothing but your core area. So value, give me the value of this AG also and AK also. Yes, quickly give me the values now. Yes, am I audible?
96211.275.
96211.275. So let us say 28. ठीक है, and what is AK? ठीक है, डीके तो तुमको पता है कितना है, 286. ठीक है, तो डीके इज 286. गिव मी द वैल्यू ऑफ AK नाउ. Six two eight three 4.99. So let us say 62835. Okay, so now we got AG also, AK also. Now can we find out the right hand side? Yes, we can. So RHS is given by 0.36 into FCK कितना है, 20 AK 25 I and 415. AG is 96211.28. AK is 62835 minus 1. So now give me the value of this quickly. Okay, so after this we will go for LHS. ठीक है, so LHS में क्या है, सबसे पहले न्यूमरेटर will find out volume of helical reinforcement. ठीक है, that also per pitch. So volume of helical reinforcement is given by what? Area into length and per pitch. So area कितना है of helical reinforcement? Pi by 4 into 8 square into its length is nothing but pi d, where d is nothing but your core diameter upon pitch कितना provide किया हमने, 45. So now can you give me the value of this? RHS 0.0115. ठीक है, is that correct others? Okay, Rohit.
Yes, sir.
0.01152. ठीक है, can you give me the value in terms of this 10 raised to something? So it will be better for you to compare. ठीक है, तो इसमें थोड़ा सा confusion हो सकता है. So this I can write it as 11.52 into 10 raised to minus 3. Is that correct? Check करो कैलसी में. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now give me the value of this. ठीक है, इसके बाद we will find out volume of core per mm length. It is given by nothing but AK into 1. So where AK is, we have already found out, this is 62835. So this will remain the same. ठीक है, इसका वैल्यू बताओ मुझे, वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेलिकल रीइंफोर्समेंट पर पिच. Yes, give me the value of this. ठीक है, after this we will find out the LHS. Yes, this value.
One 1003.629.
Okay, 1003 point, let us say 63. ठीक है, so now we can find out the LHS. We got the numerator also and denominator also. So this is 1003.63 upon this is 62835. So LHS कितना आ रहा है?
0.0159.
ठीक है, उसको 10⁻² के टर्म्स में बताओ.
15.97 into 10⁻⁻.
करेक्ट, 15.97 into 10 raised to minus 3. अभी compare करो one RHS और LHS. Now you can say that ठीक है LHS 15 है और ये 11 है, so that means LHS is greater than RHS. So therefore let us say LHS is greater than RHS, so hence it is safe. Or you can write the entire formula here. ठीक है, you can write the entire thing this upon this और उसको लिख सकते हो is greater than this, so hence it is safe. ठीक है, so that is the only difference when you're doing helical reinforcement. So this check you will have to show. Okay, and after this you have to draw the reinforcement detailing. So let us draw the reinforcement detailing. Okay. I hope it is visible.
So there are 7 bars now.
Yes, you have to show accordingly. So I've just shown like that without actually counting the bars. Okay. So you can show like this 7 bars. Okay, so accordingly as per the section, okay, show as per the arrangements you have done. Okay, so now in this case, so first I will here show the diameter. So this is 350 mm. Okay. So this helical reinforcement will be something like this. Okay. Okay, so this is your helical reinforcement, and this is nothing but your pitch, or this is nothing but your pitch. So this is nothing but 45 mm, and these longitudinal bars, ये कितना है 7 bars of 16 mm diameter. Okay, so this is your helical reinforcement. Okay, which is 8 mm diameter. And you can show the clear cover here. So this is your reinforcement detailing for the helical reinforcement. Okay, so just show. Okay, fine. Okay, so we are done with this problem. So I hope this is clear to everyone. If anyone has any doubt, they can ask me. So basically with this, we have finished the topic of columns as far as your WSM is concerned. Okay, so in LSM, we will see some different types of problems with eccentricity also. In WSM, basically you're dealing with purely axial loaded columns. Yes, you have to find out that, Abrar. Find out where it is given in IS code.
सर इसमें जो पिच थी वो 30 to 47 के बीच में कुछ भी ले सकते ना, तो वो मैंने 30 लिया, तो मेरा सर मैच नहीं हो रहा है वो चेक।
हाँ, तो तुमको फिर रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा। ज्यादा भी तुमने अगर कम ले लिया तो फिर वो कंडीशन पास नहीं होएगा, तो उसके हिसाब से तुमको लेना है।
अच्छा, तो सर अगर चेक नहीं आया तो क्या चेंज करना पड़ेगा?
चेक तुम्हारा नहीं आया ना, तो चेक में देखो तुम्हारा एलएचएस क्या है और आरएचएस क्या है। तो तुमको एलएचएस को ग्रेटर शो करना है बेसिकली। तो उसका मतलब क्या है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेलिकल रीइंफोर्समेंट न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा होना चाहिए,
हाँ
बराबर। अब ये वॉल्यूम ज्यादा
हाँ
होने के लिए क्या ज्यादा होना चाहिए, तुम्हारा एरिया ज्यादा होना चाहिए और लेंथ ज्यादा होना चाहिए।
हाँ।
तो एरिया अगर तुमने डायमीटर ऑफ हेलिकल रीइंफोर्समेंट ज्यादा लिया तो पास होने के चांसेस ज्यादा है। और लेंथ मतलब क्या है तुम्हारा, पिच। पिच, तो पिच ज्यादा कम मत रखो, ठीक है। जो
अच्छा।
तुम्हारा लिमिट है 45, मतलब लिमिट कितना है 47 ना, तो 45 प्रोवाइड
हाँ
करो। वैसे भी तुमने पिच कम प्रोवाइड किया तो
हाँ।
कन्फाइनमेंट ज्यादा हो जाएगा,
अच्छा।
ठीक है। तो पैरामीटर पहले
हाँ।
आइडेंटिफाई करो कि किस पे तुम्हारा डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है, उसके हिसाब से तुमको फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा, थैंक यू सर।
Okay, so this is the reinforcement detailing for the rectangular column, ठीक है, longitudinal section and cross section. So you can show the pitch here. I think the pitch was, this is 250
Yes, sir.
mm,
300 mm.
300 mm था pitch, ठीक है, whatever was the pitch. And this is the stirrups. I think we had provided 8 mm torque at 250 center to center. Okay, so I hope Mehfooz, is this clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let me just show you the assignment number 3. So I'll just share my screen. Okay, so just make a note of it. Assignment number 3. So this is the assignment number 3 based on column of WSM. So not many questions. I have just included 3 questions. So this is more than enough for you as far as your WSM is concerned. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this, or you can find this on Moodle account also. And I request all the students to please go through their Moodle account on a regular basis. Okay, you will get all the updates over there, assignments, video lectures, notes, everything. Okay, so please do visit the Moodle account. And one more thing, what about the second assignment? Has anyone completed the second assignment?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in that case, you can just send the assignment to me in the next, or what we can do is we can discuss that in the tutorial. So tutorials, we will discuss the assignment and confirm the answers, because the answers you are going to give me, even I don't have the answers of the assignment. So we will discuss and confirm the answers with everyone. Okay, so what we will do in the next tutorial, I will discuss second as well as the third assignment from you. So by the next week, please try to complete the design of column also. So I think we have done everything what is there in the question. So you'll be easily able to do it. Okay. So just make a note of this assignment or take a screenshot.